Okay, y'all see that's a wild bird. We call them commies or we call them pharaohs. And he flew with my flock today. And I can't stray him in my cage because he's not the type of bird I want. But if you could look at him, you could see the difference in a domestic bird and him. And look how skinny he is, a little head, long face, long legs. He's young, but he's a commie. And he want to get inside my cage because he want to eat. He's hungry and more likely he's thirsty. And I don't know why, as big as he is, he should know that he's not no homing pigeon. So he want to become a homing pigeon, but I don't deal with them kind of birds. I don't deal with no commies. I don't know if he's got a disease or something. Um, he's a wild bird, so this ain't my style. He could be a racer though. He could be a racer, a homing racer. But I don't deal with them kind of birds. So, but look, he's not that afraid of me. I guess I'll put him some water down, but I'm not fixing to. Let's see, I'll put him some water down. All right, y'all, that's what's up. That's a commie. He's a wild pigeon. I'm just showing you up. I'll give you up close of what a wild pigeon look like. You can see the difference than in a domestic bird than him. He looks more like, if anything, he would be a racing homie. His eyelids keep opening and closing. So, look, like he's sick. You know, oh, you need to find somewhere to go because I don't know if he's got a disease or not. And I cannot be, what I'm saying? I'm not going to take a chance of letting him up in my cage. But look, he's not that afraid. So that kind of tell me he might have been around some humans before. He might have been around he might be a domestic bird or something. Because he's not that afraid of me. Look how close he got. Let me get to him. He got a pretty color in him. His feathers is pretty and clean and stuff. He's young. Look. He don't look that bad. He's very young. He's young. Let me put some water out for him. Okay, y'all, that's what's up right now. But that was just showing you what a wild bird pigeon look like, a commie. All right, I'll get back.